This video is about how to find alpha in crypto, how to find news, how to do your own research, how to do due diligence of various coins before investing, how to get to know new protocols when they appear, what is trending, and generally speaking, I will show you free tools, Santiment, Watchers, and DappRadar to do exactly that. So let's get started with Santiment, Santiment.net. It's a free tool. Actually, each of those tools is free, though there is a paid version as well if you want to. A free tool that allows you to basically go on chain and see also what's trending on socials. And this is a really cool feature here. So I like really the social tool here on Sandbase, app.santiment.net. The links will be down below in the description. You can see the trends on crypto Twitter, so you can see what's been trending and in what context. So this is really cool, and you can also go day by day to see what really trended in a couple of days. This is really cool. You can also go for popular midterms, so things like bottom, sell, bear market, inflation, and it's all connected also to the particular asset. So for example, you have FTX crash and there's the price of the FTT token. So you can see here that it's all going well, and then suddenly we have many more tweets about FTX crash, and then FTT really crashes on 8th of November. There's a bunch of charts like that. Also, very cool one about Doge. As you can see, the more people talk about the Doge, it seems the higher the price. Of course, this is not an investment advice, but there's a lot of things that you can get out of that, and it's not all, because you can also go to, for example, trading dexes, so you can look for particular tokens that you want to see. So, for example, you might be interested in stable coins, and are people buying or selling, and you can see how many transactions are against a particular stable coin. You can also go, for example, to see whether people are buying or selling Shiba Inu token. There's a bunch of things like that. So if you're trying to get into the token or trying to understand what's happening with the market, this is a cool thing. There's a bunch of things also that is coming. So for example, NFT influencers. Also a bunch of tools about different dexes, Uniswap protocols, really a lot of things to unwrap here at Santiment. Really cool tool, so I really recommend you jumping into it and playing around to discover your own alpha. Second on my list is DappRadar. So basically what they're trying to do is have a radar on new dApps appearing, and if you go on explore dApps, then you'll be able to see, well, a lot of things. So you can go for particular chain. So for example, you could go with, I don't know, let's start with ETH maybe, and then you could also choose a particular category, for example DeFi, that you want to see. So I'm on ETH DeFi right now, and then also I could go with only new, and you can see that there's a new app here. But also I could go with all categories and just go for new and see what kind of new protocols have appeared recently. This is the way to discover. But if you're interested in all particular chains or particular categories, you can easily do that as well. So this is really a really good ranking for that. And also there's a bunch of analytical tools on DappRadar. So you can go for a portfolio if you want to check what you have. You can go with NFTs. There's a bunch of things that you can use to track your own stuff or see what other people are doing. Third on the list finally is Watchers, watchers.pro. There's a bunch of tools related to, for example, whale watching of particular tokens. So for example, you can this is a Singularity Net token. I can go with Aave token, for example, and see how many whales there are in total. For example, here 21% of the token is held by whales, and there's a bunch of and you can see who's holding. Basically, you can also look at VCs, so this is also interesting. You can go for VC watch and you can see what VCs have this token in their portfolio. So with Aave, I have Blockchain Capital, Celsius, Genesis Trading, DeFinance Capital, and Jump Trading, and you can see their positions here. Also very interesting, There's a bunch of investigation mode for address clustering if you want to cluster a bunch of addresses, see how the flow is going of different wallets. You can analyze specific wallets, analyze specific tokens, projects, explore NFTs, blue chip collections, really a lot of stuff. And again, this is really a free tool. This is the closest thing to Nansen.ai. Nansen, of course, is much more complex and gives you even more information, but it's payable, and it starts with $100 per month, which is a lot, especially if you're just starting. So watchers.pro is the free alternative to Nansen if you want to start and see whether you can get an alpha out of different statistics. So this is basically it. I really recommend you going into all of those free tools and start discovering what people are trading, what VCs are doing on chain. It's really important to understand also what coins, if you want to buy some kind of a coin, understand what is the flow and how it influences your trading thesis in the end. So really important stuff. Let me know what you think about it. I'll be describing more DeFi tools as well. Also recommend DeFi Llama. I have mentioned that in my other video. So DeFi Llama is a really great tool also for discovering new insights. Really great stuff. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto updates, news, and generally speaking, everything related to crypto. See you in the next video.